Today I'd like to show you how to crop or resize an image. So I have here on my screen this image of a woman and her computer, and as you can see it has a horizontal orientation. So let's say I want that to have a vertical orientation. What I'm going to do first is just click on the picture to select it. That's sort of the image equivalent of selecting a bit of text. So you've selected the picture. So now I'm going to go up here to my picture tools, and you can see that this picture tools is context sensitive, which means it only shows up when you are working within the context of an image. If I were to type a bit of text on the screen and select it by highlighting it, you can see that up here there is no picture tools option. So let's go back and get rid of that, and we'll reselect our image here. And what we're going to do then is click on our picture tools, and it gives us this whole new menu of things we can do with this image. So what I'd like to do now, first I'll show you how to resize it. This is very easy. You just take your mouse and hover over any of these handles, and your cursor changes to this double-headed arrow. And if you hover over the corners, what you'll usually do, and just click and hold and then pull toward the center of the image, and it will resize like that. So now I'm going to crop it. So I'm going to click on my crop tool right here, and you can see that the handles have now changed to these crop marks, and my cursor has changed to what we call a crop tool. And I'm going to take my crop tool, and when I go over to the handle, you can see how it sort of turns into almost like a little pusher. So you just push against, you click and hold your mouse and push, actually I want to be on this side, push against that handle and push in, and it will allow you to crop off as much or as little of that image as you want to. You can see you can stop wherever you like, and wherever you let go of your mouse is where it will be cropped. Now if I wanted to crop her from the top, I could do that, but that doesn't look very good, so I'm going to click Control Z, which will undo, and you can see that we're back here to our regular handles, not the crop handles any longer. So that's all it takes to crop an image. But what if we have an image like this one, and we click on it and we have these solid handles? Up here we have the clear handles, and down here we click on it and we have solid handles. What this means is that this is a layered image, and when you have a layered image you get your drawing tools menu. But the drawing tools menu does not include a crop tool, as you can see up here. So there is a workaround for this though. What I'm going to do is click outside of the image to deselect it, and then I'm going to take a screenshot. Most of you know how to do this. If you don't know how, all you have to do is at the upper right of your keyboard there's a key that will say, it should be right next to your scroll lock button, and it says print screen or PRT SCN, and just click on that key and hold it down for a second, about 1 or 2 seconds. And what that does is it takes a screenshot, which is a picture of your entire screen. So now I'm going to put my cursor down here outside of the picture. That's Linda, by the way, on our team. Isn't she pretty? And so I'm going to click down here, and I'm going to do a Control V, which is the keyboard keystroke for paste. So Control V, and I've pasted my entire screen right there. So now when I click on my screenshot, you can see I've got my clear handles back, which means I now have my picture tools menu, and I now have my crop option here. So I'm going to click that crop option. It turns orange when it's active, by the way. Then you go over here, I've got my little crop tool, and I'm going to push against that handle, and I'm going to crop all this junk away. And I can either crop it down so that it's crop all 4 sides here, so that it looks the same as what I had before, like that. Oops. Got to crop it a little bit more to get there. Like that. And one more down. Like that. That's about what we had before. Or let's say that I don't want this frame to be on the picture any longer. I just want Linda's picture alone. So I click crop again. And all you have to do is just go a little farther this time. And crop off the frame on the right hand side. Crop it off on the left. Crop it off at the bottom. Crop it off at the top. And then of course this is pretty tiny, so I'm going to want to click on that, get my handles back. Now I have my double-headed arrow, and I'm going to click and drag to enlarge that. You can see though when you compare these images that I've lost some resolution. When you have an image that is small and you enlarge it, you often lose resolution. So this one has more pixels than this one. But that's how you do it. That's the workaround.